Good morning students, welcome to Aryavardhan YouTube channel English video lessons for the beginners. Students, in today's class we are going to practice letter E. This sounds as A. So let's practice students. Here ED ends ending letter ED which sounds as D. Begged, belled, cleansed, delved, dredged, dwelled, ebbed, edged, egged, entered, legged, lettered, gent, kedged, pegged, penned, pledged, swelled, spelled, sensed, shelled, stamped, welled, webbed, exhaled, excelled. Students, now let's practice words ending in ed sounds as t. Belched, blessed, benched, blenched, sensed, checked, clenched, decked, accessed, expressed, fetched, just, drenched, dressed, aft, lecked, fenced, flecked, flensed, fleshed, flexed, freshed, guessed, helped, hexed, sexed, stepped, stressed, tensed, trenched, tempt. Students, now let's practice words ending in ed which sounds as id. Bedded, belted, bended, breaded, breasted, chested, credited, crested, dented, dreaded, edited, existed, exported, extracted, ended, fended, fretted, headed, jetted, melded, merited, nested, melted, mended, netted, quested, sweated, trended, tedded, tempted, tended, tested, texted, threaded, wended, vested, vetted, wetted, wended, tended. Students, now let's practice these words.
Begged, belled, cleansed, delved, lettered, gent, kedged. Pegged, belched, blessed, expressed, fetched, jest. Bedded, belted, bended, mended, netted. Quested, sweated, trended. Belts.
Students, let's practice here words ended in s and es. Belts, breadths, breasts, breasts, checks, crests, decks, dents, edits, flex, frets, helps, jets, melts, necks, nets, quests, steps, sweats, tempts, tests, texts, vests, wets. Here students, you will find yes letter but it sounds as z. Beds, bells, bends, breads, dwells, dreads, dwells, abs, eggs, ends, enters, legs, fends, gens, heads, melds, mends, pegs, pens, swells, spells, teds, tends, threads, vents, wells. Students, now let's practice words with sounds is, ending is. Belches, benches, blenches, senses, cleanses, clenches, dredges, drenches, dresses, edged, flences, flences, fleshes, flexes, freshes, guesses, hexes, kedges, messes, pledges, presses, sexes. Students, now let's practice these words.
belts, breasts, checks, steps, sweats, temps, beds, bells, bends, delves, dreads, dwells, ebbs, eggs, ends, enters, legs, fens, gens, heads, melds, mends, pegs, pens, swells, spells, teds, tens, threads, bends, wells, belches, benches, blenches, senses, cleanses, clenches, dredges, drenches, dresses, fences, flences, fleshes, flexes, freshes, guesses, hexes, kedges, meshes, pledges, presses.
Students, now let's practice some phrases. He penned award-winning poetry. Grandchild helped his grandfather in walking. He sweated a lot. 3 eggs. Pens. He presses the button. Students, now let's practice A sound words. A. Blared, bared, cared, dared, fared, paired, spared, stayed, shared. Now blares, bears, cares, dares, fares, pairs, spares, shares, stares. Students, in other class we will practice still some more words. Students, thank you.